Hello everyone, Samsung has recently launched a very new Galaxy M51 which they tease as monster. So let us checkmark all the department and see is this actually a real monster. Straight from the box we get smartphone, a 25-watt fast charger with Type-C to C cable, including some quick guide stuffs. Moving to physical overview, at the right we got side-mounted fingerprint sensor with volume rockers. At the left we have SIM tray with 2 nano SIM and a dedicated slot for expandable storage. At the bottom we got a single speaker with mic, a Type-C charging port and our favorite 3.5mm headphone jack. At the top it got a primary microphone. Favorite part is how they balanced the weight even though having a giant battery. It does not feel that heavy. Coming to CPU, hopefully not an Exynos, it's a super cool Snapdragon 730G SoC with Adreno 618 GPU. Not at all a bad combination considering it's a Samsung device. Moving to display, it comes with the Samsung's very own very huge 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display which is crystal clear with Infinity O design. Honestly, it's one of the best display in the market. Also, if you are moving from some LCD panel, seriously, it looks so cool to our eyes. Samsung claims this display as lighter than compared to other AMOLED displays, so they named this display as Super AMOLED Plus display. Interesting part of this phone is its battery. You can call it a giant, you can call it humongous. It's really a monster with 7000 mAh battery capacity, which is insane for a smartphone. Moving to cameras, this time it got 64MP Sony's IMX682 sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, 5MP macro lens with 5MP depth sensor, a quad camera setup that captures some amazing pictures. I shot some cool pictures with this phone. Have to say, pictures are really good. It is well detailed, and if you are into mobile photography, this phone will amaze you in every aspect. Also, I took some selfie with 32MP front facing camera. It's really cool. Moving to some gaming performance, we have tested this phone by playing COD and some other games for an hour and we haven't experienced any lag so far. And it just drained 12 to 13%, which is really insane. And phone comes with a 25-watt quick charger which is decent enough to charge this huge battery from 0 to 100 less than 2 hours. Moving to pricing, there are two variants. One is 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, which is priced around 25,000 Indian rupees. Also, it got one more variant which is about 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, which is priced around 27,000 Indian rupees. Moving to checkbox, first one is processor. Considering a Samsung device with 730G is not at all a bad, so check. Second, battery, undoubtedly check. Third, display. Believe me, this is one of the best display in the market. Check. Fourth, camera. Practically I have tested, it's amazing. So check. Also worth mentioning, it is a non-Chinese product. Considering all the aspects I mentioned above, it is a real monster. You can directly buy this smartphone from the link in description. Special thanks to my friend Ujjwal Kiran for sponsoring this amazing smartphone. Also, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with your family friends and hit that subscribe button. So thanks for watching. This is Aditya from Android Arena. Hope to see you in next one. Peace.